Hey friends, this is Atif of PureVal and welcome to the new update on IO. On an hourly time frame chart, IO has recently formed this ascending triangle. By the way, we have the resistance here at $5.50, and you can see that for the past several hours, it has been working as a support here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, here, and now recently the pricing is once again trying to break out the resistance. And this is a quite long uptrend line support that is coming from 11th of June 2024. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that we had here. And now the price line has reached the resistance of this triangle. At the same time, by the way, there is also a hidden bearish divergence flashed on this 1 hour time frame chart. If we take a look at the oscillators, then you can see that RSI has formed this high here, and the next high is higher than the previous one. Even MACD is also forming higher high, but if we take a look at the price line, then you can see that we had a long spike here beyond the resistance of the triangle, but now it is not able to form another higher than previous high. In fact, it is forming a lower high than previous high. So this is a hidden bearish divergence. That is a bearish reversal signal. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have another rejection by this resistance and we may have another retest of this support, this uptrend line support of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Floki, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way, almost 83% pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of IO. And this is the 1 hour time frame chart. And here you can see that, by the way, the opening price of IO was here at 6 cents. And then from 6 cents, let me place a measurement tool here from 6 cents to here. Let me replace it once again. Uh, Not here. This is the lowest price at 6 cents. And up till this high, you can see it pumped almost 9,700%. 9,700%. Very, very massive pump. But still, you can see it is moving at $5.35. If I again place this measurement tool from this low of 6 cents up till this current move, then you can see still it is almost 2,570% up from this lowest of 6 cents. And now recently it has formed this ascending triangle, but could not break out this resistance for the past several hours. You can see that we got rejection here, here, and now it is again trying to break out the resistance for the past few hours. And before that, it was breaking as a support here, by the way. For several hours, it has been breaking as support, and after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And this uptrend line resistance is coming from 11th of June 2024. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and now recent bounce was here, and now there is also a hidden bearish divergence flash on this chart, on this hourly time frame chart. Therefore, I'm expecting another bounce from this support, another retest of this support of this ascending triangle. As you can see that MACD is forming higher high. RSI is also forming higher high. But at the same time, you can see that the price line is forming a lower than previous high. Here we had a long spike, but the price line is not able to form another higher than previous high. Yes, if it will break out the resistance of this triangle, then it may form another higher than previous high. And this hidden bearish divergence can be removed from the chart. Now, if you take a look at the targets, by the way, this is very strong and long-term and highest resistance that is at $6.50. And in order to continue this rally, we will need to break it out. And if the price then breaks down this triangle, then target to the downside will be here at $3.70. By the way, before that, we also have this quite firm support here at $4.50. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. You can see here it worked as a support. And in case of breaking out the resistance, it can also break out the next resistance of $6.50 as well. And target to the upside will be here at $7.55. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.